Create a Matka planter for garden decoration in small space. Welcome back to our channel 90 Edition. We will explore creative garden ideas for all types of space. Today we are focusing on Matka planters and how they can transform your garden. Especially if you are working with a limited area. Let's dive into some innovative ways to use Matka planters for garden decoration and make the most out of small space. If you like this idea, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the like icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Interested with your garden. Choose a variety of plants that resist pest, grow, habitats, and less greenery involved. With a little imagination and creativity, Matka planter can elevate the beauty of your garden, even in the smallest space. Whether you are aiming for vertical garden wall, functional herb garden, or visual fairy garden, Matka planter offer endless possibility for garden